Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngifuna ukuqala nge-interview kaPeterson, i-new captain laphana e-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Uthe it's an honor and a privilege ukuthi a-represent i-Kaizer Chiefs and then ukuthi abe yi-leader. Okunye akushilo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs idlala kahle kakhulu. Uncome bonke abantu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi badlala kahle kakhulu. Just nje kumele balungise lapho nalapho. Asingeneni emagameni wakhe straight uPeterson. Heading to i-CAF Confederations Cup bafethu uPeterson ubuziwe-ke laphana. Uthi bona as i-group laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bayafuna ngempela into abayifunayo bayazi ukuthi they know what's at stake, bafuna ukuya kuma-group stages of the competition which is the CAF Confederations Cup. In order to do that obviously-ke kumele bawine this weekend. Siyazi ukuthi ngeke kube lula overall but-ke uthi njengoba beye laphana eCongo bathola ama-positive results ngokuthola i-draw laphana uthi-ke akaboni bona ezi-Kaizer Chiefs behluleka ukuwina ngeSunday njengoba bazodlala ne-AS Simba overall laphana. Ucabanga ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izokwenza kangcono kakhulu and uthi amagoli kumele bawashaye laphana phambili. Uthi obviously style of play sayo kumele baqale high. I think khona into concerning ayishilo la uthe ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall bazama ama-different formations nama-systems and uthi ama-players we-Kaizer Chiefs aya-understanda ama-systems and anayo i-ability, kusho ukuthi anayo i-ability yokuswitcha kuma-formation overall laphana. Uthi bayakwazi uku-adapter overall ukuthi i-coach ifunani. Okuvezayo noma okuchazayo bafethu ukuthi ama-coaches we-Kaizer Chiefs afuna ilokhunjana bafethu. A-change awekho sure ngema-formations awadlalayo, a-change ama-formation almost each and every game. Coach e-Kaizer Chiefs uCedric Kaizer bekhuluma ne-media a few days back uthe naye njengoba bangakwazanga ukuwina ngala ma-formation lawo bawadlalile bazozama amanye ama-formation again with the following match. Asazi ukuthi bazodlala ngayiphi i-formation-ke this time around but-ke kusho ukuthi they are chopping and changing even ama-formation. Abakabi ne-starting lineup abasithembayo abasaziyo, abakabi ne-formation abafuna ukuyidlala but at the same time siyazi ukuthi they are affected by ama-injuries nezinye izinto laphana eziba-affectayo ukuthi bangakwazi ukudlala to their full capability and ability overall laphana. Uthi-ke i-defense they've done really well. Uthi ama-attackers wabo nje just ukuthi uyazi ukuthi ama-attackers wabo are-under pressure serious. Kumele baqale ngempela ukushaya amagoli but uthi for yena even nama-attack enza kahle kakhulu just nje kumele athole i-confidence overall ngoba uthi bona badlala kahle as a team. Into eshodayo nje ukuthi ilaphana i-final third nje overall laphana. Enye into abuzwe yona uthi mentality yama-players ikuphi overall laphana-ke. Uthi the same thing eshiwo uCedric Kaizer uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs yenza kahle kakhulu compared to ama-previous seasons laphana. But obviously baya-understanda ukuthi they have to go out there and do their best and babe positive and uthi into e-right kakhulu ngale group of players or ngale squad abanaso ukuthi baya-believe ukuthi bangakwazi uku-change izinto nanokuthi bangakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeka ukuthi bathole ama-results for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi i-role yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ibaluleke kakhulu yena ukuthi abe yi-captain e-right, a-lead by example and a-make sure ukuthi ama-players meney'nkinga ayakwazi ukuza kuye akhulume ngaye ney'nkinga and then yena uzobona ukuthi uzoyi-handle kanjani leyo nto leyo because I think usho le nto leyo because of uye one-communication ne-management as i-leader or even ne-technical team laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. So makuba ney'nkinga around nje ba-approach-a yena as i-captain. Uncomile-ke naye ukuthi u-approachable and then uyi-natural born leader laphana. But-ke I think he's a good captain because of vocal bafethu. I mean we've seen him even noma sebhentshini siyamazi uyacomplaina siyamazi uvocal siyamazi. It makes sense ukuthi bamenze i-captain ngempela because uyakwazi ukuphusha abantu aba-around yena laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Let's hope uzokwazi ukuleader. I mean him leading laphana ku-backline or last man of defense which is i-goalkeeping department uye I think is one of the biggest performers of i-Kaizer Chiefs because akaka-concede even when ama-opportunities bawathola ama-opposition but guess what uyakwazi ukuwasave ukushaya laphana ama-crucial saves for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Even the last game bekumele leya team le ikore but-ke iswelele score 1-on-1 naye, good opportunity but he was able to divert that ball to be a corner kick. So umuntu obalulekile for i-Kaizer Chiefs. It makes sense ukuthi why bamenze i-captain laphana overall. I mean ama-statements akhe sibalulekile in terms ukuthi ama-players bane-confidence ukuthi banga-change izinto and bayazi ukuthi kumele bawine laphana nge-weekend. But before ngiyivala I wanna go to i-statement sonke yonke i-interview bafowethu ye-coach ye-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bekakhuluma ethini. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngiphostile but-ke I'll break it down ngomageba or ngesikhathi sibone ukuthi utheni kahle kahle u-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs kahle simu-understand-e brick by brick. Uthe laphana eCongo first leg njengoba they are approaching the second leg la eSouth Africa which is iDobsonville. Uthe first leg laphana eCongo kube difficult kakhulu i-weather nama-conditions but-ke uthe heading to this game-ke uthi zonke izinto zisezandleni zabo kusho ukuthi yonke into ilele kubo ukuthi bakwazi ukuwina le game lena yange-weekend. Uyazi ukuthi ngeke kube igame elokhunjani elula overall but-ke uthi if ungabuza noma ubani laphana in terms of ama-players wabo ukuthi ama-players behind the scenes asebenza kanzima kakhulu uku-make sure bafowethu ukuthi ba-create i-history for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uze wabala ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayikaze bafowethu ifike kuma-group stages of i-CAF Confederations Cup. Ukhuluma nge-new format yakhona because of last time Kaizer Chiefs yenza kahle ku-CAF Confederations Cup. It was 2001 or so la kuthiwa bayiwina but that was a different competition up until it-changed i-format yelokhunjani this competition that they are currently playing overall. Uthe and then he went back to ilokhunjani le game le I think a previous game or so yaku-continental level ukuthi it was one of their best games in terms of like create ama-opportunities. Oh yeah, previous games against iCabo Scope or so uthi-ke ba-create laphana e-FNB Stadium ukuthi ba-create ama-chances uthi combination play i-defense yabo beyi-good ngempela even offensively just nje ukuthi bahlulekile uku-convert ama-opportunities wabo but uyasho ukuthi bokuyi-one of their biggest games in terms of ukudlala. Well, I watched the game, I was there stadium, I saw i-performance enkulu laphana from bafowethu i-Kaizer Chiefs. But I don't know how many chances they've created. No coach uze washo ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi ba-create around 6 or 5 of chances but bahlulekile ukuwakora lawo ma-chances lawo overall. And then injury update makasha amanye ama-injury updates obvious umention uMayo ukuthi uMayo obvious ngeke abe ready but uthe babhizi benza ama-test behind closed doors or behind the scenes uNasho Miguel after igame yakhe eSwele FC lapho ume khona half time uthi bayathemba they are hoping ukuthi uzoba available but bazozwa nge-medical team. Mekhuluma ngo-Ethan Cheslet uthe u-Ethan Cheslet akekho fully fit laphana but-ke sebuyile laphana uyatraina without i-contact overall. Then-ke siyazi ukuthi uMakoka akekho available but uthi uSilva bafowethu has been training ne-team laphana overall for the past 10 days kusho ukuthi is getting close to ukuthi mhlampe bakwazi ukumselector nanokuthi akwazi ukucontribute laphana direct ku-Kaizer Chiefs inside the field of play overall laphana. So yeah man, they need everyone to be on board, they need everyone to perform overall. Uthembisa ama-journalist again ukuthi-ke bafuna nje ukuqualifya laphana kuma-group stage. Uthe ukuqualifya kwe-Kaizer Chiefs kuma-group stage kuzodetermine isizini yabo. Kusho ukuthi if i-Kaizer Chiefs iyafeyila ukuqualifya kuma-group stages bafowethu hayi kuzoba inkinga kakhulu. Kusho ukuthi obvious maybe nabo babhekile ukuthi maybe imisebenzi yabo ingaphela if they don't qualify kuma-group stages because lento leya ku-Kaizer Chiefs Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ba-qualify ku-continental level this season bayithatha serious kakhulu. So it's very important for them to qualify for ama-group stages bafowethu. And uPeterson ukubale into uPeterson uthe they wanna make sure ukuthi bacompetela every cup competition abadlalelayo. So kusho ukuthi naku-continental level they wanna try and make sure ukuthi bayacompete and then baba ne-chance ukuthi possibly bazame ukuba close ukuthi bayithathe i-cup or at least because ucoach Nabi that time ekhona kwakuthiwa akafike kuma-semi-finals we-CAF Confederations Cup then they will take things from there. But asiqhubeke ne-coach ye-Kaizer Chiefs overall bafowethu ukuthi utheni uthe kunzima ukuplease wonke umuntu but-ke bazozama ukwenza everything kupower yabo ukuthi ba-advance to the next stage of the competition. Mebuzwa ngoLebohang Maboy bathi ngoba uLebohang Maboy une-experience ku-continental level ayibalekele le question leyo vele wathi wonke umuntu they have to consider everyone laphana uthi kunamanye ama-player laphana azodlala kwamanye ama-game azobasiza kwamanye ama-game and then-ke just ukuthi akumelanga babe too excited laphana in terms of maybe when they are given opportunities laphana ukuthi badlale. I don't know why enga-answeranga direct ukuthi uLebohang Maboy what is the problem why angadlali just nje abe direct asho ukuthi he's not playing because of 1 2 3 uzoyithola i-opportunity isikhathi masiba right uzoyithola i-opportunity yokuthi adlale overall, but uyibalekele leyo question leyo. And then uthi iDobsonville inkulu kune-FNB Stadium, usho kanjalo uthi mabayi-measure kusho ukuthi according to i-ground inkulu egrawundini inkulu, egrawundini nje kuphela, not i-stadium necessary but i-ground. Angazi ukuthi i-length yakhona kanjani, angazi, but-ke abantu abaningi even nama-journalist bawamangele because they thought ukuthi i-Soccer City inkulu, but at the same time uthi uya-appreciate noma iyamjabulisa lento lokuthi ama-fans azoba close to ama-players laphana, kusho ukuthi bazokwazi ukuba 12 men ukuthi bakwazi ukuphusha i-team i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi izame ngempela ukuthola ama-results. Angeke kube lula because of no-Peterson ushilo ukuthi le team le aggressive, but-ke I mean I don't see le team le ishaya i-Kaizer Chiefs, it's their game to lose mawubheka laphana overall. Yeah, I mean it's a big game for them. Career defining for amanye amalokhunjana ama-players, but ucoach yazi no-Peterson bashinto eyodwa, kusho ukuthi they are trained ukuthi bakhulume lento le. Uthi le team le idlala kahle kakhulu compared to uthi at this stage of the competition or at this stage of the season, mebala nje i-league, i-Kaizer Chiefs idlala kahle kakhulu compared to amanye ama-season. Uze waqhathanisa laphana wathi kula amanye ama-season i-Kaizer Chiefs idlale 9 games last season, ngathi uthe idlale 9 games yaba na-11 points, but uthi this season badlale 9 games bana 5 points more compared to i-last season overall. So uyayibona i-difference ukuthi obviously benza kangconywana compared to i-last season. Maybe that is why they gave them ama-opportunities ukuthi bakwazi ucoacha still, because mababheke i-record for the past couple of seasons bayabona ukuthi okay, they started really really well, so it makes sense for i-management e-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi igcine labo coach labo ukuthi balide i-project than ukuqala brand new, like baqale phansi laphana babuilde into from scratch overall. Yeah, it's not gonna be easy bafethu, but yeah, no coach imebuzwa laphana uthi they're gonna do everything kupower yabo ukuthi bakwazi uwin igame. Uthi ama-players nje kumele afike kuma-group stages ku-CAF kule format lena. Uthi ukutravela kwama-player like mabazokwazi ukuqualify ama-group stages chaza ukuthi bazodlala ama-match amaningi, but ukutravela kwama-player baye kuma-continental level, ku-continental level e-Africa baye kuma-countries a-different, leyo nto lezo create i-bond e-right for ama-player ukuthi abe in sync, akwazi ukusebenza overall as i-team, i-bond within the players, and then uyasho ukuthi i-confidence yabo izokhula if-ke bayakwazi ukuqualify for ama-group stages, meaning that they will play kuma-group stages, they will play like 3 times on the African continent, bazodlala ama-game ayi-6 overall kuma-group stages ama-group. And then make mention amanye ama-player uthe kusho ukuthi if ba-qualify la, kusho ukuthi ama-player amaningi azokwazi ukuthola i-opportunity yokuthi adlale ku-continental level or just nje ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because kuzoba ne-chopping and changing kakhulu. Ukudlala ku-continental level akufani na-local, abanye bazolimala, abanye bazoba suspended, abanye, so kuzoba nezinto ey'ningi, but-ke I mean kuzokhuphula ama-chances wabanye abafowethu ukuthi bathole ama-opportunities laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs if bayakwazi ukuqualifya overall. Yeah, because indaba kaBatman ukuthi sengikhulumile ngayo, but asimcoach straight ukuthi uthini. Uthi uBatman laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs wathenga ukuthi adlale laphana ku-first team football, azange athengele ukuthi adlale laphana ku-DDC team, but uthi mawubheka uBatman usemuva compared to amanye ama-player, uney'nyanga lese una 2 months laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs angadlali. Waze wachazela nama-journalist ukuthi njalo after ama-match or during the week badlala ama-friendly games every day ukuthi batheste amanye, not really every day, but uthi every time badlala ama-friendly matches ukuthi batheste amanye ama-player ukuthi are-ready, and then ushilo ukuthi amanye ama-player we-first team bawasenda to i-DDC team, maybe abayi-5 or abawu-6 babasende ku-DDC team ukuthi bodlala khona, maybe match fitness ukuthi baqhubeke bathole lama-minutes lawa bangawatholi ku-first team. I think-ke kusho ukuthi ubala no-Batman ukuthi uBatman unokudlala ku-DDC team ukuthi thina asikakamboni obvious, but-ke la ukhuluma mayethi ama-player awu-6 ngiyazi straight ukuthi ukhuluma ngobani. Ubala uHlongwane, ubala uNkwesa, aphinde abale ubani uMabaso, and then ubala uDone or ubani uMjida lo odlala naye une-first team contract. So bawu-4 labo bantu labo already abanama-first team contract but badlala ku-DDC team isikhathi esiningi. So maka-add uVelebali kusho ukuthi umuntu owu-number 6 in terms of umuntu ophindayo laphana ku-DDC team, yabo? So uthi uyasho ukuthi iminyaka yakhe ayikakabi right laphana njengoba usa-developer, but i-development yomuntu ayipheli. Naku-previous clip ngishilo ukuthi bafowethu, i-development yomuntu ayipheli number 1, but umuntu uprogressa ku-career yakhe if abo-coaches bayakwazi ukumnika ama-opportunities overall, right? So if uya ku-DDC team, it sounds like i-demotion overall, but ukuthi uthe as long as kumele ukadlala laphana ku-DDC team bazombiza ku-first team, but uthi kuzodependa ngama-game ukuthi adimandani ama-game. Ukhala ngokuthi i-pressure izoba too much kakhulu for uBatman njengoba i-team overall i-under pressure. So uthi kunzima ukuthi bamdlalise-ke njengoba i-pressure ingaka ku-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of ukufuna ama-results, izinto ezinjalo. Uthe akusiyi-downgrade, kusho ukuthi akusiyi-downgrade ngempela ukuthi bamthathe umfana bamuse laphana ku-DDC team, ukuthi nje athole leyo much needed game time overall. But-ke ama-journalist abanye bathi hhayi abasibhaye le story lesi wayichaza ngakhona yonke le nkulumo le. Yeah, overall-ke but uzamile uku-explain overall ngendaba kaVelebali. KaBatman, why ngithi uVelebali? KaBatman bafethu namanye ama-player ukuthi what is expected from those players. Ngicela ukuyibamba la kwamanje bafethu, Danko. Oh no, I think enye into ebalulekile, uDotli masiyithinta kancane injury yakhe bafethu ibuhlungu. Why? Because uDotli July bekhona laphana eNetherlands, watravela neteam, bekubonakala ngathi uyabuya July. Cabanga July, August, September, October manje. 4 months later from aqala ukujima yedwa laphana eceleni, but ayi-part of i-team, ayi-part of i-group. Besibona ngathi hhayi by the time isizini iqala umfowethu uzobe naye sekwazi ukudlala, but guess what? Akatholi ne-opportunity eyodwa ukuthi adlale because i-injury yakhe kubonakala ngathi it's worse than anticipated. And singakhohlwa ukuthi lo muntu bekakuBafana for some time, and he was one of the most composed defenders, trusted defenders on the international stage laphana. So it's a big loss for both the Kaizer Chiefs, mostly for the Kaizer Chiefs laphana at the back in terms of depth ne-quality, and also a big loss for Bafana because abanye abantu bayasho ukuthi hayi if beyakhona be-available nalo muntu lo uDotli bekazokwazi ukulwela isikhala sakhe laphana kuBafana ukuthi aye ku-AFCON, possibly even i-World Cup. Danko bafethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.